Morning, guys! Today is a sad day in the history of this cruise. We are disembarking today and not getting back on again. Unlike some people who are getting back on again and doing the Western cruise. Not us. So we just finished our last meal and now that's happening. So, we are disembarking at around 10 after 8. Then heading over to the airport, and then gonna sit around the airport forever. Basically. Because our flight's not till 4. I wanted a direct flight, so that's what I get. Yeah. So now we wait. Outfit of the day. I'm wearing a shirt. And pants. And shoes. Jason's wearing a shirt. And shorts. And shoes. Amazing, isn't it? Anyway. Yeah, we're in port. In Fort Lauderdale. It's not a fun place to be right now. I'm sure it would be if we were coming back again. Back on. And it was fun when we were here last week. But not so fun this week. Anyway, I'm excited to see Shulva tomorrow though. Yay! Yeah, that's it for now. Waiting. 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 Windows are dirty. So we are sitting here waiting in the Iron Dining Room for our departure. It is still walk-offs right now, which we'll have to see if the walk-off is any easier than the non-walk-off. Because waiting for an elevator, we just ended up taking the stairs because it was taking forever to find an elevator that wasn't full of luggage. So we'll see how it works and how much of a pain in the butt it is versus not. I liked how we did it last time. Last time was easier, but unfortunately we weren't able to do that this time. Officially off the ship. You sad? Huh? No, I figured we would be okay. And into the passenger terminal to find our luggage.
That's the go.
Yeah. And bye-bye, Princess Cruises.
Oh boy. Back to reality.
At least I don't have to work for another 2 weeks. Same
Ladies
driver
and
that
gentlemen,
drove us to the
this bus will not be going to Miami. So if we have anyone aboard this bus should be on their way to Miami in a very nice way. Man, you deep on the wrong bus. Yeah, man. Okay, I was sure right ahead of us. So just for those of you who may not be familiar with Fort Lauderdale, a couple of information to make you a bit more acquainted. Right at this time, we are about to exit Port of Fort Lauderdale. Port of Fort Lauderdale is now the world's biggest and busiest cruise ship port. We have over 4 million passengers traveling each year over the port of Fort Lauderdale. We have also the planet Earth, the biggest cruise ship sailing out of here. By the way, if you look to the left, that is Oasis of the Seas from Royal Caribbean, the biggest cruise ship. This ship takes 6,300 passengers.
So we are now in the Fort Lauderdale airport and we're stuck waiting. Waiting because Southwest won't let us check our bags until 2 hours before our flight, and our flight's at 4:30 and it's 9 a.m. Yeah. And we can't really change our flight because then, one, our boarding will be later, and also with our with our Airbus, our shuttle back to our house, I would get charged for changing it. So we're kind of stuck here for like 5 hours. Blah. Dropped our luggage off at a baggage storage thing because we have like 3 hours still before we can even check our luggage. So we are gonna head over to the mall and hang out there, maybe grab some lunch or something, because sitting here for 3 hours just to check in our luggage and then another 2 hours for our flight, no. So that is what we are off to do. The airport is hopping, and we wish we were not in here right now. So after a kind of expensive taxi ride, we are at the Galleria Mall in the food court looking for food, trying to see what we can eat. Ooh, they have juices. Food, and more food. Yay, food! So for lunch we're having some pizza and garlic bread and drinks at this restaurant that I don't know what it's called. Oh, there it is. Sabro. Yeah. So we went shopping, got some clothes, and then we got a sundae. It was a little bigger than I thought it was going to be. And Jason got a little thing of ice cream, which looks stinky compared to mine now. And we ran into people. That we had breakfast with on one of the days. It was funny. But they are staying on the ship for another week. At the airport, we got our luggage. Jason's charging his phone. And we only have about half an hour before we can check in with Southwest. So we're gonna just chill here for about half an hour, check in our luggage, and then probably head through security and wait some more at the gate. So we are through our gate, or through security I should say, and we're sitting at our gate. Our flight's currently delayed, so lots more fun. Of course it's fun. That's okay. We're gonna go home and just sleep. That's what our plan is. So we are delayed at the airport, so I figured I'd show you what I bought. So at the Baby Gap I bought this for $3 in 6 to 12 months. And then I bought this onesie, Stars of course, also $3 in 6 to 12 months. And then at Macy's I got this 3-piece set for $7. It has Little Mate Pirate Tours. This is for our future cruise. This little onesie and little pair of shorts. These I got in 6 to 9 months, I believe. Yeah, 6 months. Bam! That's what I bought at Macy's and Baby Gap over at the mall. So it looks like our plane is finally here. Hopefully they will be able to unload it quickly and get us on it quickly. We are boarded pretty early, or pretty early in the thingy, because we are A20 and 21. So hopefully we will get on quickly and be on our way. At least we're not delayed to some of the flights. One was delayed to like 9 p.m. So thankfully we are not delayed that late. It is really busy here though. Lots of people. And Jason. Yeah, lots of people. So we are all boarded. Jason's falling asleep and he's very sad that he can't seem to get his shirt to glow. Our shirts change color in the sun, but there must be UV protection somewhere on the windows and stuff, but yeah, it's fine. Move your arm, Jay. Thank you. Luggage, I'm not sure if it's ours or the other flights, but we are on. And again, we have the second seat, so that way we are not squished. There's not a lot of room.
It looks like flying time's 2 hours and 45 minutes. 81 degrees, light winds, clear skies in Buffalo. Please sit back, relax, enjoy the hospitality of 2 of our 3 best flight attendants, and welcome on board today.
Oh, Baltimore. Ravens. They were a very new team when I was it's funny. My daughter's boyfriend has been called it like the dad. His dad was a Buffalo Bill. We all love you.
So we are finally home. Good flight and good ride home, and I'm going to end today's vlog so I can go get some food and go to sleep. But anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.